meet you today, but I would like to welcome you to the Zypp family. Thank you for joining Zypp, and I know you have done some great work in the past to reach this milestone of your life where you're joining the India's fastest growing last mile delivery EV company, which is Zypp Electric, right? I'd love to tell you why I started this venture, right? I worked for 11 years in the corporate world, right? I am an MBA from IMT Ghaziabad. I did my engineering from Rajasthan. I worked in companies like Airtel, Snapdeal, MobiKwik, Dell, right? But then I was seeing that there's something missing, right, in my life and in the country, right? Country में pollution बढ़ रहा था, mobility बहुत ही unorganized है हमारे यहाँ पे, और इतना pollution, how you can solve it? तभी मैंने कहा कि let's start a venture along with my co-founder Rashi Agarwal. We came along, we said that we will be the ones who will try to solve mobility और हम देश का pollution कम करेंगे. We'll build a sustainable company, right? And hence we started Zypp Electric in August 17 as India's first and today India's largest, EV company, right? That's our mission, and I know that you will not join a company, you'll join a family, you'll join a mission of ensuring that every delivery, every experience is great, every delivery is electric and it's pollution free and it's sustainable and it's putting that smile on that customer face, which is what we will all deliver, right? तो यहाँ पे एडवेंचर मिलेगा आपको, बिकॉज प्रोसेसेस बहुत कम बने हुए होंगे, आपको खुद बनाने हैं, आपको खुद एग्जीक्यूट करना है. You will get crazy opportunity to execute, and which is why you join a startup, because you have to put yourself before anything else. You have to build this mission with me, right? And hence it's my request that you come with positive energy, you come with all the zeal in you, you show your confidence that you are the one who can deliver, you are the one who want to build this venture big, because see, मेरे को ये venture unicorn बनाना है. So Zypp is not a company, it's not a startup, it's a mission that you're joining today. It's a mission which is full of responsibility, it's a mission which is full of initiative, it's a mission which is full of ownership. So I'd like you to showcase the best. आज तक जो आपने deliver नहीं किया, वो अब आपको Zypp में deliver करना है. And I can tell you that if you will be true to your, image, if you will be true to your mission, if you will be true with your attitude, Zypp will want to give you the best experience. Zypp will never want to leave you. This is going to be your family, which will give you wealth, which will give you career, which will give you learning, which will give you an opportunity of your lifetime, right? So welcome once again. Thank you for joining Zypp Electric, and let's meet soon and let's make this big. Okay? See you.